Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking LG THINQ Laundry Centers. We're going to answer the question, can that system come apart? Or in other words, can you separate the washer from the dryer or the dryer from the washer? And the simple or quick answer is yes, but no. And we're going to cover that or talk about it in this video. Let's take a look. DIYers making our way to our brand new LG THINQ Laundry Center. As you see here, we bought the white version and it is the electric version. And again, in today's video, we want to answer that question. Can the LG THINQ Laundry Center be separated or taken apart? Or in other words, can the dryer be separated and removed fully from the washing machine? And the answer is yes, but no. Not yes and no, yes, but no. And we will explain why. Next, DIYers, before we head to the back of the laundry center, I do want to reference our exact installation manual. And as you can see, disassembling the washer and dryer. The washer and dryer cannot be disassembled and installed for use side by side. And that's what I meant by yes, but no. If it is necessary to disassemble the appliance in order to move or reinstall it, follow these instructions. So again, yes, but no. And number one, safety purposes, obviously, be sure to unplug the appliance and followed by removing the stack bracket and additional hardware. And getting to step 5, you've got an electrical connection point on each washer and dryer that feeds into the control panel. And additional screws. Step 6, the bottom of the 2 screws on each side, as you see by that picture. And step number 7, lift the dryer and separate it from the washer. And there is a picture. Again, yes, but no. Not yes and no, yes, but no, because it can be done, but it is not permitted to disassemble the dryer from the washer and use side by side. To the back of the laundry center, and again, we have the electric version. In the event that you have a gas version, you'll have a gas line hookup, bottom left corner of your dryer. And take a look at that black bracket. That is your stack bracket held in place with 6 Phillips screws. Removing all 6 of those screws, you can carefully remove that black stack bracket and gain access to the internal 2 screws, 2 on each side, and electrical connection. However, if I remember correctly with the instructions, remove those screws, pull the black stack bracket away, and then make your way to the side or front where you have this black strip or power control strip, and separates or goes in between the washer and dryer, and you have little push tabs, and that will allow the front portion to be unlocked or disengaged. And at that point, you can come back to the rear side and disconnect the electrical connections. Again, you've got one for the washer, one for the dryer, and remove the lower of the 2 screws on each side. And at that point, you're on to step 7. Carefully separate the dryer from the washer. Back in front of the laundry center, and again, to answer the question, yes, but no. Not yes and no, yes, but no. And we're excited to hook this up. Scrolling above right now is a link to a video that shows you everything on how to properly and safely hook the brand new LG THINQ Laundry Center up, as well as a link on how to install an interior clothesline as shown here, and it's a double. However, that's it. We'll wrap the video up. Do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.